Hello students, today we are discussing about the hormonal control of male and female reproductive system. दोनों systems का structure हम पढ़ चुके हैं. Now the hormonal control, and after that we will discuss about the process of gametogenesis, that is spermatogenesis and oogenesis. So in this video we will discuss about the hormonal control of male and female reproductive system. Firstly we are discussing about the hormonal control of male reproductive system. A gland which is present in our body, that is called as hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is called as the master of master gland. Master gland is the pituitary gland. Clear? Because the pituitary gland secretes many types of hormones to control over the all other endocrine glands of the body. But for the stimulation of pituitary gland, hypothalamus will secrete the hormones that is called as gonadotropin releasing hormone and gonadotropin inhibiting hormones. So the hypothalamus secretes gonadotropin releasing hormone GnRH, and it stimulates the anterior pituitary. There are two lobes of pituitary glands. First one is anterior and the second is posterior. So it stimulates the anterior pituitary. This anterior pituitary stimulates the testes to secrete two types of hormones. Anterior pituitary stimulates the testes to secrete two types of hormone that is called as ICSH and LH, and here the FSH. ICSH means interstitial cell stimulating hormone. LH means luteinizing hormone. FSH means follicle stimulating hormone. ICH stimulates the interstitial cells, and the cells which are interstitial, present in the interstitial fluid, are the Leydig cells. Clear? This hormone stimulates the Leydig cells for the secretion of testosterone, male reproductive hormone. This testosterone is responsible for the secondary sexual characters in the males. Clear? So this hormone is responsible for the stimulation of secondary sexual characters in the males. What are these characters? We will discuss it later. FSH stimulates the germ cells and the Sertoli cells. This stimulates two types of cells which are present in the seminiferous tubules. ठीक है, हमने स्ट्रक्चर देखा था seminiferous tubule का. This is seminiferous tubules. It has the germ cells and the some conical cells are also there. These conical cells are called as Sertoli cells. And here the interstitial fluid is there. This is again the seminiferous tubule. Inside the interstitial fluid, some cells are present. They are called as interstitial cells, which are responsible. These are also called as Leydig cells and responsible for the secretion of testosterone. These cells get stimulated by the ICSH hormone, and the Sertoli cells and germ cells are stimulated by the FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone. It stimulates the germ cells and Sertoli cells. Clear? Germ cells produce gametes by the process of gametogenesis, and the Sertoli cells again secrete two types of proteins. Sertoli cells secrete two types of proteins, that is ABP means androgen binding protein and inhibin. Second protein is inhibin. This is secreted by Sertoli cell. This inhibin goes to the hypothalamus to stop the activity of hypothalamus. It means to release it. This inhibin stimulates the hypothalamus to release the gonadotropin inhibiting hormone so that the anterior pituitary can stop its functioning. Clear? So this type of hormonal control is present in the human males, in which the different type of hormones are performing the different types of functions. Now come to the secondary sexual characters which are developed at the age of puberty in the human males. These secondary sexual characters are developed by the activity of testosterone. In the human males, the puberty age is 14 to 16 years. In the males, the age of puberty is 14 to 16 years. At this age, the males gets reproductive maturity. Now, what are the changes takes place at this age in the human males? First one is due to the activity of hormones, the process of spermatogenesis will take place. Spermatogenesis means production of sperms will starts in the males. That is production of sperms. This process starts in the human males at the age of puberty. Second one is the sex organs starts developing. Sex organs developed and becomes enlarged. Development of Adam's apple will take place, due to which the voice becomes deep or heavy. Clear? Due to the development of Adam's apple, the voice of males becomes deep or thick. Becomes thick, okay? Or deep, you can say. This will takes place due to the development of the Adam's apple. Now, the different pattern of hairs grows on the body. Different patterns of hairs. Grows on the different body parts, like the facial hairs, hairs on the chest, hairs on the pubic region, under the armpits. These are the different types of hairs present on the body of the males. Different patterns of hairs. Shoulders start broadening here due to the muscular activities or the development of muscles. The shoulders starts broadening. Clear? So these are all the body becomes more muscular and strength is developed in the body. This type of changes takes place in the body of males at the time of puberty. Due to these changes, the human males are incapable of doing reproduction. Clear? Nextly, we are discussing about the hormonal control in human females. Now, females में किस तरह से hormonal control होगा? Again, the hypothalamus stimulates the anterior pituitary. Hypothalamus It stimulates the anterior pituitary by the secretion of GnRH, that is gonadotropin releasing hormone. Anterior pituitary secretes two types of hormone, that is LH and FSH. So this secretes two types of hormone, LH and FSH. LH means luteinizing hormone and FSH means follicle stimulating hormone. The LH stimulates the process of ovulation from the ovary. This stimulates the process of ovulation and it also maintains the corpus luteum. Clear? So ovulation and it also maintains the corpus luteum. This corpus luteum will secrete the hormone that is called as progesterone, and this progesterone is responsible for the changes takes place in the human females at the time of pregnancy. Next, the follicle stimulating hormone or the FSH, it stimulates the Graafian follicles. It stimulates the Graafian follicles of the ovaries. Clear? For what the function? Graafian follicles stimulate the secretion of estrogen hormone. There are two types of hormones secreted in the human females, that is progesterone, responsible for the changes takes place in the human females at the time of pregnancy. So many types of changes were there, and the estrogen hormone, which is secreted by Graafian follicles, and this estrogen hormone is responsible for the secondary sexual characters takes place in the females. Clear? So come to the point, what are the secondary sexual characters present in the females? The secondary sexual characters present in the females. In females, the puberty age is, in females, the age of puberty is about 11 to 13 years. Clear? This is the approximate age, that is 11 to 13 years. And at this age, the females starts maturing their reproductive organs. Clear? So the process of oogenesis will start. Oogenesis starts. The female starts to menstruate. It means the menstruation cycle is also starts. Growth of hair on the different parts of the body, like under the armpits and pubic hairs. So the growth of hair starts on the different parts of the body. Next, the important change is enlargement of breast. Enlargement of breast starts in the human females at the time of puberty. Next one is the deposition of fat on the lower or the hip area of the females. So the deposition of fat starts on the thighs and hip area of females. Clear? This is about the secondary sexual characters in the females. One more thing, the age at which the menstruation cycle starts in the female is called as menarche, and the age at which the menstruation cycle stops in the female, that is called as menopause. ठीक है। फीमेल्स में जो रिप्रोडक्टिव मैच्योरिटी है ये एक लिमिटेड टाइम पीरियड के लिए ही होती है, 11 to 13 ईयर्स से स्टार्ट होकर इट एक्सटेंड्स अप टू द 45 to 55 ईयर्स ऑफ एज। आफ्टर दैट टाइम द एग maturation process will stops in the female and the female is not capable in giving birth to the child. That's why the menopause is the stoppage of menstruation cycle in the female and menarche is the starting of menopause, starting of menstruation cycle in the female. This is all about the hormonal control in the human males and females. Hopefully you understand it very well. In our next video, we will discuss about the process of gametogenesis and the first process, that is spermatogenesis. Thank you very much.